I made up a new way to unspool my ice fishing poles to start with. We'll try the summer rods later, but I got a vise out of the garage, laid a towel down, come inside where it was warm, set up my drill using a drill bit, some duct tape to make up the extra space, keep the spool tight. Basically all you do is open your bail, tie on your line on the old barrel. This is a new barrel of ice line. Tie it on, hit the trigger. That's my first coil. There's 2 coils on this line, but I just took off about 120 yards of line. Works pretty good. If you got 3 or 4 to do, or 10, makes easy work. Thanks.